Hello, Graham Howarth from PageBuilderInMinutes.com here. In today's video we're going to look at creating a template to use in Email Octopus for our welcome emails. This video is going to build on the previous videos that we did, which were about creating landing pages within Email Octopus. If you haven't seen those videos, then I'll leave a link below and you can look at those and then come back to this video. Okay, so we're in the templates section of our Email Octopus account, and that will show us two things. It will show us all of the Email Octopus templates, but you can also create your own templates. Now I've got a couple here. Now what we're going to do is create a new one from scratch. So we go to this button here, click on Create, and that will take us to another screen where we see two options. Now we can either choose the classic HTML editor to create our template, or we can use a drag and drop feature, which is very similar to the elements that we used when we created the landing page. But for this video, I'm going to concentrate on using the classic editor to create our email template. So I'll choose the classic HTML editor, and that will take us into a screen which is typical of HTML editors. And in here you can type whatever you want and adjust it with the elements here. You can look at a full screen when you're doing this. So if I click on that, then we've got a full screen editor there that we can see, but I'll take it down to just the minimized view so we can see what we're doing. I've created some text for the email template that I want to use. So rather than you watch me type in with one finger, I'll pause the video here and I'll paste that text in. Okay, so you'll see I've pasted that text in there, and what I've done is put some prompts in here so that when I come to use this template within an actual email that we want to send out, then I'll know what to put in. So here I can put my full name, the name of the lead magnet that we're going to use goes in here. We're going to look at reminding them of why they ordered the lead magnet in the first place, and so on and so forth. So we can add in whatever you want into there. Now, for example, we might want to put in here, thanks for supporting, try that again, thanks for supporting PageBuilderInMinutes.com, or whatever we want to put in there. We can highlight that particular piece of text and put a link in. So we add in the URL of the site that we want them to go to. And you'll see that comes highlighted in a different color, typical link within an email. But you can add websites, you can add an email address. For example, if I'm always going to use the same name, then I could put Graham Howarth in there. I could then put a simple link into their email, Graham at PageBuilderInMinutes.com. If I just highlight that, copy it, then when I do the link, then I can put in here mail to insert that, and you'll see we've now got an email link in there as well. So there's you can modify this in any way you like. If I want to change the font, for example, I might change that to Arial, which is what I usually use for emails. In there you can use italics, you can underline, all the normal sort of editing functions that you want. Okay, so one last thing for us to do is to give it a title, and what I will do here is put welcome email template, and if we click on save there, that will take us out of this screen now and back to our list of email templates that we've got. So there is now our welcome email template that we've just created. We just go back in there and just have a look. There we go, it's all there. You can also look at the code for that. If you're into HTML code, you can look at the code and you could make changes there, I guess, if you wanted to. But we're just keeping it simple. We'll just use the standard text editor. Okay, so if we leave that there, in the next video, I'll show you how to use that template in one of the emails that you want to send to your subscribers. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like below, and then if you want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.